You've got people coming over. The grill is on, the food is cooking, and now it's different because it's not just you anymore. Now people are watching. Now people are asking questions. How much longer is it gonna be? Is the food ready yet? And suddenly, you feel the pressure. This is where most people lose the cook. Not before it starts. Not when they season the food. It happens right here, in the middle of the cook, when things don't go how you expected. The fire gets hotter than you thought, the food starts cooking faster than you planned, and now you're trying to catch up. So what do? You start reacting. You flip too much. You move things around constantly. You try to fix everything at once. And without realizing it, you lose control of the cook. It's not the food. It's not even the grill. It's how you respond when things change. That's what separates a stressful cook from a confident one. Confident grillers don't panic. They slow down. They make small adjustments instead of big reactions. They manage the fire. They watch how the food is cooking, and they stay in control of the moment. And the good news, you don't need to be perfect to do this. You don't need complicated recipes. You don't need fancy gadgets. You need to keep things simple and stay in control. Because once you do that, everything starts to feel easier. The food turns out better, the pressure goes down, and you actually enjoy the cook. If you're grilling for people this weekend, focus on that. Stay calm, keep it simple, and stay in control. And if you want a system to follow so you're not guessing out there on the grill, we've put together a set of starter grilling guides that walk you through all of this step by step. You can grab those below and start building real confidence on the grill, because you don't need to guess your way through it. You just need to stay in control. I want to give a big shout out to our channel members. It's because of your generous support that we're able to keep creating and sharing these grilling resources. You're a huge part of this community, and we couldn't do it without you. Thank you so much for watching Daddy DIY Grilling. Until next time, grill boldly, serve proudly, and enjoy the process.